Not the man in a million shirt in my video. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new, my name is Torey. Welcome. So I'm actually at Packet for You JA, which is a courier company in Jamaica. I'm collecting my packages that I ordered from Amazon. So I said let me just vlog this. So I'm gonna show what else I got in another vlog here, but I have a couple stuff planned for the days coming up, so this can be a nice little vlog and it can just run nice and smooth. So yeah, people always ask me where do I collect my packages, how do I shop when I'm in Jamaica, how do I get my packages when I'm in Jamaica. This is Packet for You, and how they work, Packet for You JA, sorry, and how they work is you go on their website and you sign up for an address, you sign up for an account, because me do this a while now. I've been using them for I think 2 years now, so I kind of remember, but I'm going to go on my laptop, and while I'm doing this I go show no what I say. So you visit their website and I think you create an account, and once you sign up with them they provide you with an overseas address. Once you get this address, you can shop online with your credit card, debit card, whatever else you use, PayPal, whatever, and you would send your packages to that overseas address that they provide you with. So you put your name and put the address within you. After that, now once your package is delivered to that address, they'll provide you with email updates along the way. Once your package reach that address, they'll be responsible for shipping your package out to Jamaica for you. So once your package reach Miami, them are gonna email you and make you know say your package reach Miami. Once your package reach customs at Jamaica, them are gonna email you and make you know say your package at customs, and then when your package reach them office, them email you again and say package reach office, you can pick up. They also provide delivery in Kingston and other areas, I'm not sure, but me know them provide delivery in Kingston. So yeah, so my packages, I just ordered some little stuff from Amazon. I think it's just 2 items, just I ordered some extra things to get free shipping, which I'll explain later. So my package was delivered about 1 week ago to my address overseas that they provided me with, and now I'm collecting it. So as I just explained, that's how it works. So yeah, let's get into the vlog. Remember to like this video and give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below throughout the vlog, whichever part connect with you, just you know. Okay guys, so I just got my packages. So I'm going to open them. Alright. So as me say, it's not nothing fancy. I just get to look for stuff I really need. It says everywhere else, but for you though, yeah. So let's open. I almost never remember this because I was like, what on earth is this? So why am I so funny? Anyway, so this, I think this is a ponytail that I ordered, so everybody knows it. Well, I don't know if everybody know, but I'm no longer a natural hair girl. I'm a part of the relaxed hair committee, so I bought a ponytail on Amazon just for, you know, anytime I want not wear my hair out like this, we can just grab it on, and it's longer and fuller because everybody knows. Why am I keep on saying everybody knows? Girl, nobody knows. Nobody knows you. Nobody knows. It's longer and fuller, so just to get one different look. So yeah, I order one ponytail. Oh, I get what is? I don't know what is, but I get this in it. I guess I can't use this. So, and this is the ponytail. I'm gonna get one scoochie with it. And I got a scoochie. So this will go right for my hand. And I got hairpins. And this is the ponytail. So it's supposed to be loose wave, and it is 1B like my hair, and it's the one where you just you know, catch up here and put it onto the end and just wrap it. Oh, this looks nice just now. Length. So when me comb this out and nice up myself, my way show no. So this is one. So this is a ponytail and it's synthetic hair. So I don't know if I'm the only one. I'm sure I'm not the only one, but every time I'm ordering from Amazon, if I'm ordering like a one package, so what I really wanted in this package was the ponytail. So if I'm ordering some and it was cheap, it was under $25. So everybody knows. So if you're ordering something from Amazon and it's fulfilled by Amazon but it not reach $25, you're not gonna get free shipping. You'll have to pay for shipping, which is probably like $7, or I'm not sure because I have never paid for free shipping. This is what I always do, which I'm about to explain. So let's say my ponytail was, I think my ponytail was like $15. I would have to pay for shipping, so I would end up pay like $25 to get the ponytail shipped, because it's under $25. So what I do is buy something else and make it up to the $25, something else that is fulfilled by Amazon, so I end up get 2 items and I get free shipping. So instead of just get the ponytail and pay for free shipping, I get 2 items and get free shipping. That's what I do. So I ended up buying this watch, and it's a watch for men, so this is for my boyfriend. I don't know if you want me out here show him things on YouTube like so. But anyway, yeah, I want a nice looking watch. It's black and it's sleek. So that's how I ended up buying this. I never really want it, but I just buy it to get free shipping instead of just pay for shipping. So that's one package. And when I opened this package, I was laughing because I'm just so funny. I actually ordered it, and I ordered it as a gift, so I wrote him a note. You can do that as well, everybody. Only supposed to know. So the note said, "A gift for you. Finally a watch that works. Hope you like it, from your secret admirer." So I bought him the watch and I gave him this note. I'm gonna put it right back in the package and give him it just like this. I just think me just so funny, like me just the funniest person alive. Like, who does that? Anyway, so that's package number 1. Oh wow, me get comb too. Oh, what is she I also get the comb here. So I get the ponytail, the comb, the scoochie, and the hairpin and the spray bottle in a one package, and this wasn't even $20. But I don't know how the ponytail here I go hold up. It is synthetic hair, so me could see. Package number 2, me know what this is already. So for package number 2, the main thing that I was ordering is, drum roll please, a water bottle. So this is actually for my boyfriend. So this is a water bottle. It's I think it's a half-gallon water bottle, and it has a time on it, the timestamps when you're supposed to, by when you're supposed to drink, wherever you're supposed to reach into the bottle. I don't know about anybody else's boyfriend, but he is horrible at drinking water, so this is how I can monitor how much water I drink. Sound like a crazy mom, but yeah, it's really cute. And I get this in a black because, you know, I'm a one guy, so you know. So yeah, see here, it's 7 a.m. ready go, 9 a.m. you've got it, 11 a.m. keep drinking, 1 p.m. feeling awesome, 3 p.m. hanging there, 5 p.m. no excuses, 7 p.m. a little bit more, and 9 p.m. yeah, you did it. So I will be monitoring his water intake with this water bottle. So yeah, this was also under $25, so of course, as me just explained, me get some more stuff, so me could end up get free shipping instead of pay for shipping. How the top stay, so it has the straw part. It has a straw. You have the option of using the straw, or you can actually uncork this and drink it. In addition to the timely reminders on the water bottle, it also shows the amount of water that's inside. So it holds up to 3,800 milliliters or 128 ounces, once it's full. Well, once it's up to here, that's the approximate capacity. And also because it's so big, you know, so this would have kind of hard to hold like this, but because it has these indentations right here at the sides, it's easy for me to grip it. So I think this was a very good buy, and it's just really cute and it's cool. So this was the main order for this package, and now I'm gonna show you the little extras them when I order to make it up. So this is a lip gloss. You know, every girl needs a lip gloss, and I actually don't have one right now, so maybe just order this. I think this was I'm going to link everything below just in case anybody want to get them something here. So this is a Rimmel Stay Glossy lip gloss. So this is this. I'm gonna keep this in the car, and I think this was like $3. So I think they say all of these additional items are like extremely low priced. Like me literally search in Amazon items, free shipping items under $5, free shipping items under $3, free shipping items under $2, and so on and so on. And then we just go through and look what would I really want, because these aren't needs, because not them we go on Amazon to buy, me just buy them to get free shipping. So me just them are just ones. So like this, no, this is a hand wash, and I think this was $3 as well. I'm going to list everything below as I just said. So this is a soft soap hand wash for the bathroom. Yeah. So hand wash, and then lastly we have, I'm kind of excited for this, because when I was buying this I was like, you know what, I don't know if this is gonna be something when me supposed to even buy, but me did there like $24 and me did need like $1 or something to make it reach the $25. So I actually found one candle for like 92 cents, and I was like, what? But because it's so cheap, I was like, this must be small, but it wasn't. It smells fruity. I don't really like fruit. Not them people there in the background. I don't really like fruity scents, but yeah. So it's the Glade Vanilla Passion Fruit. Not him a blow. Okay. So yeah, it's the Glade Hawaiian. It's the Glade Vanilla Passion Fruit plus Hawaiian Breeze fragrance infused fragrance infused with essential oils. And this is the last item. And as I said, this was like 92 cents. I don't know if that's gonna still be the price, but when I got it on the day, it was 92 cents. So yeah, that's it for my unboxing. As I said, I will link everything below, so I don't know if you're interested in them look at something here, and if you want to see more unboxing videos, because I shop online a lot and me always end up on buy extra stuff for the reason when me just explain. So you know, me can make this a regular thing. Put a candle here right here so until we reach home. So yeah, see you guys in the next part of the vlog. Hi guys, so it's the next day and I'm currently heading to a games night. So it is a bring your own bottle style, and I have with me the Rumbar green apple vodka. So yes girl, when we reach inside I'm showing wagwan and thing. Which part of good again? Up? You know what I want to explore.
Down is good, up is skip.
Down is touring. Down is good.
Skip that.
How would that?
Do it again. Do it again. Bring it down, Torey. Bring it down. Skip that again.
No. Boom bye bye. Boom bye bye.
Alright, yeah.
Me no flash one more free and
Yeah. Skip it. Hold on.
husband. Tommy Chin. Right. Bomba. Husband.
I remember those days.
Alright.
Skip.
Instagram and Shutters.
Steve Marley.
No, the other one. Artist.
Skip.
No, what do they?
What do you need from an unknown number?
You
You want to talk what's the artist?
No.
No,
Skin on me good.
Cool it.
Yeah.
Easy, Torey.
We get slice.
No. How
much you get, Nico?
Hey, you are wrong.
She had tried that.
Just to get 0.
Proceed to lick your whole arm and drink 2 times. Yeah. Your arm. And then drink 2 times. You have to do it for them.
Like this. Yo.
Let me see position when I'm act out.
This is not a girl's night. Fling good. What do you mean?
Nico, determined to be a jagger, you know.
Kim na bala walk up. Come on.
That's how people do theirs, guys.
Yo.
Alright, who next? Andre, put your hand down your pants and rub your genitals. Let the player across the room, which is Jason, smell. Hold on.
Yeah, you don't have to do it, Jason. Jason, you can't drink, you know. You can't drink, you know.
Already I drink.
Yo, wait here. Yo, wala na.
If I said Jason, no.
Wala na.
I don't do not need no. You just coward.
Yes.
Pour a small amount of your drink into the palms of the person to your right. They should lick it like a dog. Both of you must do this or finish your drinks.
Who that, Dre?
No, watch me.
Yes.
Yeah, Dre,
Listen to the rules of the game. Pour a drink in the person's hand to your right.
No, Jason, just drink off your drink for me, please. Just drink. Just drink. Just drink. Just drink. Call it again, just
You have to
drink.
finish it.
Just drink.
Go ahead, walk out.
No, just drink.
Never have I ever faked an orgasm.
Alright, what's up guys? So welcome back to another part of the vlog. So nobody actually expect for the party. You know what? I'm gonna start talking English because I'm not try to attract Jamaicans only. So let's see. So yes guys, welcome back to the vlog. I actually didn't plan to do this part of the vlog. I didn't plan for this excursion, but it's just an impromptu trip to the river. So I think we're going to a river up in Stony Hill. Never been there before, so I'm really excited to go there. If you guys, is it the previous video? No, it's in this same video, you guys. I unboxed the ponytail. This is a ponytail that I'm wearing right now. So yeah, I'm just try to turn around and give one look at you. But one thing about it, it's very soft. The hair is very soft. It is very silky. So when I'm wrapping it, I'm going to do a video on it. So it's like I have to put it on and then I have to wrap it around. When I'm wrapping it, I have to push hairpins in it to secure it. but it's just so hard to secure because the hair is so silky. So as I stick hairpin to secure one part, it's a slide out and you know all of that. So this is it. That's her, and my hair probably pull up a little bit right now, but this is what we're looking like. So once I reach the river, we need to take out one. There's a padding in this bikini and I need it out. One of them drop out, I just need a second one to come out right now and then we're good. So when we reach the river, guys, I will check in with you and let you know. And if you made it so far in the vlog, please remember to like the video and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this vlog. Do you like my vlogs? You know, so and so. So yes guys, it's actually a little bit partly cloudy right now, so I'm not really sure. We need to get going. So yeah, later. So the road horrible, so we have to be walking right now.
Rough.
Too fat to be in the car, so we'll walk to one parking spot ish and then we have to go up on our next trod to reach the actual falls. So we'll be here for a while. Oh my god, goats. Oh my god. Hey, goats with horns. Hey. Hello. Uh-huh. Okay. So here we have open floor. Yeah. Open floor.
The actual thing to know, so I want school right here, so.
I want to school this? Oh, we school this? Bowden Hill Primary. What? This is a torch of the send kids up here, so.
Ready? Yeah. I see car Japanese, you know.
Sneakers?
Yeah.
Or your river shoes?
Your river shoes name, yeah? Oh, I'm not sure. I don't know.
Okay, I'm find something.
Oh yeah, so that's not fit you?
Yeah, it can fit me. I just have my foot kind of ashy. Wait, other foot there?
Stress me.
Oh, jeez. For this. Okay, so we are now en route again, and this is what's going on. Pure bush mosquito actually bite me right now. So yeah, people, when we reach the river, we check in. What the shit, man? This is
Turn the camera and put the phone on.
my slippers not go good after this.
Huh?
Oh, this.
Oh, slow still.
And my slippers are in mother to come.
Walk, you have to walk. You see me? Them people I know about the vloggings in the paper. Now take me and take over this. J Enigma takes over Torey's vlog. So you know what's your thing? Torey look like your camera clean now. Watch all them style of my girl a vlog and her camera dirty. Watch them, look how nice and clean. Watch them. You don't walk up, man. You forget to say one we have in a little jungle here. Man, all the snake them come out and sit. So everybody is running down left, you know? Oh, some people watch her. I turn the cameras in. So I'm gonna stop this and turn it so I can see what I'm going. I see the part, as in. You have down there so. I have right there so I don't know which one to go. Hey! Where the people in there? Nico! Daniel! What? I run and I run! No, sir. I run. Alright. Do it. Yo! Oh, yeah, look at me still there. Me still there, man. You know, say, they tell me set a party there. I'm about 3-minute walk. I feel like me walk about 15 minutes already. You know what kind of style is, you know? What kind of style is at all? I lose breath. Hopefully, that place here turns. Hopefully. Alright, people, so ouch, just step on one piece of stick a while ago. Why? Alright, people, so but I tell Torey to delete that, but she should have me know say she not gonna delete that. I can just love it, see? Alright, so I'm just start over and hope that she use that part here. Alright, so we're there in the jungle and we look for a waterfall. You see me? Yes, a waterfall. I heard that this is very beautiful. You know what I mean? And we decided say we're going to come to the waterfall and make some beautiful content. You see me? Alright. Sitting up. Oh. Road. So nobody now ask me good. You just ask Nico. Brother. I left them run one part run this up. Not the Torey. Torey, you see a back camera? It shoot cleaner than the front camera. Man, I see I can't use the front. Brother. Me good. Me don't know people. I don't think I can do that explanation something here and go through that jungle here. So what's on man? Just enjoy the journey here, man. Long story short, all I say is you can use your back camera and video instead of the front one, you see me? You don't always have to see yourself and see how you look and sitting down. Alright. I full idea for coming so late. I'm so rich. As soon as rich. Alright people, so we're approaching the waterfalls right now, see?
Okay guys, we're finally here after 500 minutes. So there she goes. take some picture, but I don't want to get wet. Like me feel icky, like the place just wet. The walk is just long because it rained a fall and everything. So yeah, I don't know if I'll get me like a picture of them, but this is what we walked all that way for. Do I think it's worth it? Probably not. Will I ever do this again? Probably not. But this is a nice little waterfall in Stony Hill. A Stony Hill with the rest. So yes guys. Okay guys, so we're getting ready to leave now. We get some pictures and the mosquito them live. So you know a river mosquito can get real nasty. So we're getting ready to head back down and take on the 1 hour trot. So yeah. People nice to come. We're ready to leave. Everybody are getting them pictures, you know. Oh my god, is this a mosquito on my freaking nose? It was a dead mosquito. No. Okay, what's up guys? So welcome back to another part of the vlog. And today I'm going to get my hair treated. I was supposed to do this from the day after games night, but I woke up with a headache. My face is supposed to dry right now, but I woke up with a headache that day, so I had to reschedule my appointment. So it's now 9 o'clock. You know I like my early appointments, so I'm going to go ahead and get my hair treated. Hopefully I don't get lost this time. Yeah, so let's go. So I just have it up in a one right now. Nothing I do, no look at edges, no lay, nothing, no look at nothing up on my face, nothing. That's how people go to the salon. Cause why you go dress up? Why you go do all of that? I not even like comb my hair, but I feel like she just tired of me because I just always come there with my hair and look crazy, like no comb out nor nothing. So I feel like more a bit different this time. So I just put my hair in a one, nice on myself, put on a little dress, and we're heading there. So yeah guys, that's where we're going now. It's really not that bad. It just needs a little shaping to the vlog. So guys, I'm actually practicing using my back camera because the great photographer J Enigma told me that I don't need to use my front camera because I don't need to see myself all the time. So I prefer quality over anything else. I hate watching bad quality videos. I will not watch a video if it's not in 1080 pixels or whatever that P stands for. So I pride myself in putting out good quality videos. Like right now, the older bad quality videos that are on my channel, I want to put them private, but I'm just gonna leave them because we were all there once. So I'm just gonna see the journey. All of my video them are gonna be top tier quality because that's what I like to watch. So that's what I'm going to put out. So I say all of that to say, I don't even know if the camera line up right now because I cannot see myself. So I just hope say it'll line up. And yeah. Okay guys, so this is my third attempt at doing this video. So first attempt, I came in the car, put up the phone on the dashboard, start record, decide to use my back camera because I tell me how the back camera thing go. Finish the video, check the video. At the front camera it did the pan. So I did carry them in front of me, they record all along me there I talk. Second attempt, put it up on the dashboard, did I talk, temperature warning, but also the car did a vibrate, so one annoying sound in the background. I don't know if I'm gonna put in the clip there, but I'm gonna try to record this again. So as I was saying guys, so here I am, I'm back from the salon. So she treat me here and all this niceness. Put the phone on. So yeah, she treat me here and all this niceness. I was saying that I'm very grateful that I have someone that I trust with my hair. This is like my third time here, and I'm happy that I found someone that I feel like I trust can handle my natural hair, because I don't have a regular natural hair. I have 4C hair. It is very light, so even when it did natural, it did light. It just naturally light, not because it's damaged or anything, it's just light. So it needs gentle care, and especially know that it is relaxed, it is extremely fragile, so it needs gentle care. From I was younger, my mommy has always been the one to do my hair. She's a licensed cosmetologist, so she's always the one to do my hair. Even when I was in university and not going home, I would wait until I go home, she do my hair or me do one protective style. So whoa, my hand tired as hell, bro. So so how me take this serious, even when me in a university I see Venia cream or owner hair, I never trust her for cream my hair. And Venia is like my friend like for years now. So but then eventually me did say, okay Venia, you can cream me here. So anyway, long story short, I'm just very grateful that I found someone that trusts with my hair, and I just found her on Instagram. So and I was how I decided to come here, I found her on Instagram and I was looking through her page and I was looking at the relaxed hairs on her page, because that's how we scope out or who we want to do it here. And we said, okay, this look nice, and we just decide to come. So yeah, as I said before guys, I did my hair at Crown by Mia. It was $3,000 for this treatment. She's located, all right, I don't remember my address right now, so I'm gonna see if I go try. But yeah, Crown by Mia, I really like how she handles my hair, and I just really love it here. So I hope her business flourishes because she handled me here well. Probably I do the most right now, but yeah, Crown by Mia on Instagram. So right now I'm going to go home, and yeah, probably this is the end of the vlog. So if you made it to this far guys, please remember to like the video. It helps my video a lot. It helps YouTube to push the video out there more, to recommend it to more people, so in return I get more views, and you know, the whole domino effect. If you made it to the end of this video guys, thank you so much. I am so happy that you guys are watching my vlogs, and I'm happy that you guys are loving the vlogs. Yeah, thanks guys, bye.